everybody. Now, you remember I gave my washing machine a thorough spring clean, and I've got this gorgeous clean detergent drawer now. But when I cleaned it, I noticed that the part that was the worst and the blackest and the mouldiest was the part where you put the fabric conditioner. And I would suggest you have a look at what's contained in a bottle of fabric conditioner. I was absolutely amazed, especially when I started Googling some of the synthetic chemicals in there. So I've decided to make my own. White vinegar that cuts through any detergent, 200 ml of water, 15 drops of lemon oil for fragrance and 15 ml of vegetable glycerin for softening. Give that a shake and then over to my washing machine. That washing soda's going in the detergent compartment to soften the water. The detergent's going in the drum, in with my fabric softener. Fantastic alternative.